Do you have someone in your life who's going through a tough time? Seeing someone you care about struggle can be really hard, and you might be wondering, how can I help them? When we've known someone long enough, we start to notice the changes in their moods, routines, and behaviors. If you notice that your friend's mood has shifted, maybe they're more withdrawn, not engaging in activities they usually do, their eating patterns change, or some of their behaviors seem confusing, it's important to check in with them. You might worry if asking about them could make it worse. What if I don't say the right thing, or how do I even know what to say in the first place? The most important thing is you ask. How you approach the topic and the intention behind the words is what means the most. One way you could approach this is by asking about a specific thing you've noticed. You could try to say something like, "Hey, I noticed you haven't been quite yourself lately. You seem extra distant. Is everything okay? I want you to know I'm here for you." Try asking direct questions followed by a statement of support, care, and genuine concern. You might be wondering, well, then what? What if they actually tell me they're struggling? How do I respond or be there for them? Letting them share what is going on is super important. Listen openly. Allow them to speak freely, avoid interrupting them or centering your own experiences, and don't dismiss their feelings. Learning how to listen will also help you know how to support them best. You can thank them for sharing this with you, acknowledging it isn't an easy thing to do. Let them know you're there to help them get the support they need. If it sounds like professional help is needed, encourage them to reach out to a professional. If you feel comfortable, you can offer to help set up an appointment to see someone. If they aren't ready to take that step yet, let them know you are there for them whenever they are ready. A way to do that is simply asking, "How are you?" When spoken with intention and genuine care, those 3 simple words can create an opening for someone who may not be okay to let you know. We're usually conditioned to reply, "Good," or "I'm fine," when most of the time we are feeling so much more than that. When you ask someone, "How are you? How are you really?" we might get a more genuine response that allows us to better support our loved ones in the ways they need. Checking in with friends is important to do all the time, not just when we notice they're struggling. Sometimes the people who appear the happiest, most outgoing, or strongest are the ones struggling the most. That is why it is always important to check in on everyone, even the ones who look like they're doing fine. If you're struggling, help and resources are available. Explore Mental Health America's resources at mhanational.org/May.